Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to show you the tips for properly planting a hellebore plant. Now, hellebores are perennials. They bloom in very early spring, even in the winter. And this particular one has upward-facing white blossoms, and this is one that, this particular variety, let me see what we call this, is called Moon Dance. And I know that my granddaughter loves everything to do about the moon. She's even got moons on her sweatshirt. So I'm going to plant this in honor of my granddaughter. She's helping me out here. The first thing is to dig a deep hole. Now, Hadley's been working on this deep hole, and she's even had to clip some of the roots that we found in this hole. The reason why it's so important for hellebores that you dig a deep, wide hole is because they have very wide-spreading roots. So, once we get that deep enough, I'm going to see how deep this is. Okay, that is deep enough, but not wide enough. So we're trying to make this hole wider. We want the hole to be twice as wide as the pot that the hellebore came in. And this is wider than for most plants. And the reason, Hadley, I got this great tip to show you. So, how to get the hellebore out of the pot? What would you think, Hadley? How would you do it?
I'm not sure.
The answer is, if you're not sure, is to watch a video and you turn the entire plant upside down and bang it the side of this pot on a rock. That way the whole thing slips out. Now, you see these roots. What I want you to do, Hadley, is take the side of that trowel and score or try to cut through these roots. You're going to have to be a little stronger there. Yeah, go ahead. See how this has a sharp edge on this trowel? It has these teeth here. This trowel was made to slice through roots. So go ahead and saw through just like that. Don't be afraid of hurting the roots. This is good for the plant. Yep, go ahead, saw right through. Beautiful. Okay, stop. I'm going to turn it over. Saw through again. Good job. I'm going to turn it over again. Saw through again. This is called scoring the root ball. Yeah, you scored big time. So now that these roots have been damaged, I can loosen them up because I want these roots to go outward and not keep going round and round like they were stuck in the pot. Doesn't it look like it hurts the plant? It really doesn't, so don't worry about it. So now that I've got the roots all loosened up, I can go ahead and set it in so it's at the same level as before. Not deeper than it was growing and not higher, at the same level. So go ahead, Hadley, now that we've got the same level, it's a nice wide hole. One more tip. The flowers are kind of mostly on one side. I twist the plant while it's in the hole so the best are showing forward. There we go. Now we can backfill and fill in. Okay, Hadley, let's go ahead and fill in around here. Now, hellebores like rich soil with a lot of organic matter in it, and you can see I've already got hellebores growing in this garden, so this soil has already been improved with lots of compost over the years, so it's the perfect spot for my hellebore to grow. Then, there we go. Now, all we have to do is water well, and we're going to have years and years of winter and early spring blooms from this newly planted hellebore plant. This has been Marianne Binetti saying easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.